Just imagine a future. What does that amazing future look like? How about a future where you can have any good or service you want at will?
Imagine waking up to a world where your morning coffee is perfectly brewed, your house is spotless, and your groceries are already unpacked, all before you even get out of bed. This isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy anymore. Elon Musk just announced Tesla is about to unleash thousands of Optimus robots into the world, with plans to scale up to 500,000 units by 2027. That's not just innovation. That's a full-blown robotic revolution knocking at our door. For decades, humanoid robots have been the stuff of movies and dreams. From the helpful droids of Star Wars to the terrifying machines of Terminator, we've fantasized about mechanical companions that could share our world. But today, that fantasy is becoming reality faster than anyone predicted. Tesla's Optimus has evolved from a clumsy prototype that could barely wave in 2022 to a remarkably agile machine that can now dance, sort objects with precision, and even cook eggs. And according to Elon Musk, these robots will be ready to leave Tesla's controlled environments and enter our homes as soon as next year. But here's what you really need to know. Is Optimus worth the hype? What can it actually do for you? And most importantly, should you start saving up to get one? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the future of robotics. Let's start by appreciating just how far Optimus has come in such a short time. When Tesla first unveiled the bot at AI Day 2022, it was essentially a proof of concept that could barely shuffle across a stage. Fast forward to today, and we're looking at Optimus Generation 2, a sleek, nimble machine that moves with surprising grace. The current version boasts 11 degrees of freedom in its hands alone, allowing for remarkably human-like dexterity. It can delicately pick up an egg without breaking it, precisely sort colored blocks, and maintain perfect balance while holding yoga poses. But what's truly groundbreaking is how quickly Tesla has achieved this progress. While companies like Boston Dynamics spent decades perfecting their robots' movements, Tesla has managed to leapfrog years of development by leveraging their existing AI and automotive technology. Elon Musk put it best when he said, "Everything we developed for our cars, the batteries, power electronics, advanced motors, and AI systems, it all actually applies to a humanoid robot." This cross-pollination of technology is giving Tesla an unprecedented advantage in the robotics race. Now let's talk about the most shocking aspect of Optimus, its projected price tag. While most advanced humanoid robots today cost upwards of $100,000, with some research models exceeding $500,000, Tesla is aiming to bring Optimus to market for around $30,000 initially, with plans to eventually drive that price down to as low as $10,000. To put that in perspective, that's cheaper than many new cars, and about the same price as a high-end home theater system. How is Tesla able to achieve such aggressive pricing? 3 key factors. First, their vertical integration. Tesla manufactures nearly all components in-house, from batteries to AI chips. Second, their massive manufacturing scale. They're planning to produce these robots by the hundreds of thousands. And third, their ability to repurpose automotive technology for robotics. This trifecta gives Tesla a cost advantage that no traditional robotics company can match. When Optimus hits the market at this price point, it won't just be a novelty for tech enthusiasts. It could become as commonplace as a dishwasher or washing machine in modern homes. So what can Optimus actually do for you? The applications are more practical and more exciting than you might think. Let's break it down by environment. In the home, Optimus could handle all those tedious chores you hate. Doing laundry and actually folding clothes properly, cleaning bathrooms, preparing meals, even doing the dishes. Imagine coming home to a spotless house every day without lifting a finger. For elderly individuals or people with disabilities, Optimus could provide life-changing assistance with daily tasks like getting dressed, preparing medication, or even helping with mobility. In workplaces, the applications are even more transformative. Factories could use Optimus bots for assembly line work, quality control, and material handling. Hospitals could deploy them for patient monitoring and basic care. Retail stores could use them for inventory management and customer assistance. The key advantage? These robots don't get tired, don't need breaks, and can work 24/7 without complaints. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Optimus isn't just programmed for specific tasks. Thanks to Tesla's advanced AI, it learns by observation. Show it how to perform a task a few times, and it can generalize that knowledge to similar situations. This means your Optimus could learn your personal preferences, how you like your coffee, where you store your groceries, even how you organize your workspace. Now let's talk about what might be Optimus' most ambitious application: space exploration. Elon Musk recently revealed plans to send Optimus robots to Mars as early as 2026 aboard SpaceX's Starship. This isn't just PR hype, it's a brilliant strategy. Robots don't need life support systems, they can work continuously without rest, and they don't mind the deadly radiation on Mars' surface. These robotic pioneers could perform crucial work before humans ever set foot on the red planet. They could construct habitats using locally sourced materials, set up power generation systems, conduct scientific experiments, and even begin mining operations. Unlike traditional Mars rovers that move at a glacial pace, Optimus bots would have the dexterity to use tools, make repairs, and navigate challenging terrain with human-like adaptability. The implications are staggering. If successful, this could establish a permanent robotic workforce on Mars that continues to grow and improve over time. Future human colonists might arrive to find fully constructed bases, greenhouses, and infrastructure, all built by Optimus robots. This isn't just about putting robots on Mars, it's about creating the foundation for a self-sustaining human civilization on another planet. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Critics point out that some of Optimus' impressive demonstrations have used teleoperation, remote human control. Others argue that the robot's movements still look somewhat stiff compared to Boston Dynamics' Atlas. And there are valid concerns about how these robots will handle the infinite variability of real-world environments. But here's what the skeptics might be missing. Tesla isn't trying to build the most acrobatic robot. They're building the most useful and scalable robot. While competitors focus on flashy backflips, Tesla is solving the hard problems of reliability, affordability, and real-world functionality. Remember, the first iPhone couldn't do half of what flip phones could at the time, but it solved the right problems to revolutionize mobile computing. Optimus might follow a similar trajectory. So the million-dollar question: when can you actually buy an Optimus? Tesla's current timeline suggests limited production for internal use this year, with external sales possibly starting in late 2025 or 2026. Initially, they'll likely be available to businesses and wealthy early adopters before becoming more widely accessible. If you're hoping to get one for your home, you might need to wait until 2027 or later. Though given Tesla's history of aggressive timelines, don't be surprised if this slips. The good news? This gives you plenty of time to save up and prepare your home for its new robotic resident. Maybe start thinking about where you'll put the charging dock. The age of humanoid robots isn't coming, it's already here. Optimus represents one of the most significant technological leaps of our lifetime, with the potential to transform everything from how we work to how we explore space. But I want to hear from you. Would you buy an Optimus for your home or business? What tasks would you have it do first? And are you excited or concerned about this robotic future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into Tesla's robotic revolution valuable, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future coverage as Optimus development continues. And if you're as excited about this technology as I am, share this video with someone who needs to see it. The future is coming fast, and together, we'll stay ahead of the curve.